Let me show you. Let's go there. The nature becomes the entertainer. You have to expect the unexpected. Enjoy the journey. My name is Ujarneq Fleischer, and you won't believe what I just did. It was amazing. First, let's rewind a bit. Hey everybody. Oh, good coffee. Today we're going out, and it's very cold outside. Great. Now, we're gonna have these on, and then right, I'm gonna wear this. That's the last layer, and I'm gonna wear, of course, hats and gloves. Some places provide sealskin. You can actually rent sealskin clothing, but this is what I got right now. And remember, it's bright outside. Remember, take your sunglasses with you, and be prepared for everything. Food, water, and we're going out right now, and you guys are coming with me. Alright everybody, welcome to Ujarneq. Check this out. This mountain is the symbol of Ujarneq. This is the sea, and it's frozen. And over here, this is Jonathan Davison. He's the local experienced musher, and we're going dog sledding. So I'm gonna sit back to Jonathan. That's the thing. Alright, Jonathan just told me about the dogs. So I had to be aware of the two specific dogs because they could be dangerous for a stranger like me. This one, I had to be careful with this dog. His name is Gayu. It's always good to ask the musher about the dogs and the musher's rules. I mean, I just can't pet the dogs immediately. So I have to find out what not to do and what to do. Who's to pet or who's not to pet. So, what I know that there's two dogs that I can't pet, and the rest dogs I can pet. Great. So, that's an important information. We're taking off right now. Woo! Yeah! Nakakita ka sa cards?
Không nữa, tiếng ngoan đấy. Người ta cái tiếng ngoan đó cho nó. Tại vì học bài này thôi.
That dog over there is a playful one, as you can see it. Hey guys, I'm gonna let you know about the dog sledding. In the west coast of Greenland, from above the Arctic Circle, you can go dog sledding. You can go dog sledding on ice, mostly in the Disco Bay area, and up north. The same thing here. Let's go back to the dog sledding. So as you can see here, Jonathan is the musher, and he's the alpha male of alpha males. So Jonathan just told me about the musher language. I mean, he's speaking to the dogs by using two words. Iyu is for the left, and Ili is for the right. So the whip is actually the same thing, which means to the left, to the right. It depends where you whip. So without using the word, he's controlling the dogs by using his whip. Jonathan is the musher with 10 dogs, and he had the dogs since they were puppies. So that's how he can control them better. And only one dog is not one of the members of the family. Unigit means stop. Stop, stop. So that's why he keeps saying unigit, unigit. It means stop. We're heading just straight to the iceberg over there. And behind us is Ujarneq. and we are dog sledding on ice. Did you see that? He's just using his foot just to stop the dogs, and they did immediately. I love this. Great. Dog sledding today are used for tourism, transportation, and hunting. I mean, hunting with dog sledding are still relevant today because as you can see here, all this ice is actually the ocean covered with ice. So you have to hunt your own food. So Jonathan just told me about that if Jonathan fell from the dog sleds and he gets up again and runs and he goes to the side, so he will actually whistle to his dogs and call them, and the dogs will come to Jonathan. So I just asked Jonathan about what if the dogs don't notice that he fell down from the dog sled. So he said, dogs know where to go. Dogs know where the home is. They will go to the spot where they used to settle. Here, for example, this is the settle place, or back home. So I was asking about this worst case scenario thing. So I'm asking Jonathan, what if Jonathan just collapsed? What would I do? I mean, I will be the only one who is actually conscious. So the dogs will lead me back where the home is, sniffing to their own tracks and follow the tracks back home. I mean, wherever the tracks leads to. So without me doing that much, the dogs will take me back home with Jonathan unconscious. I'm asking Jonathan about, is that okay if I'm trying the whip? He says, all right, but I'm gonna do it over there. I mean, a little bit far away from the dogs. So let's do it. All right, great guys, it's been a pleasure. Right now, I'm gonna enjoy the silence.